If you've ever been blindsided by a project delay, you know the frustration. The real controversy in service delivery isn't that delays happen, it's that we accept guessing about them as normal. Today, I'll show you a scientific method to predict delays with clarity, moving you from uncertainty to actionable foresight. Let's start by understanding why this is so hard. In service delivery, timelines are fragile. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. They depend on historical team performance, current workload spikes, and intricate resource dependencies. Generic project tools fail because they treat all tasks the same. They miss the unique patterns in your data, the learning curves, the specific bottleneck resources, the historical variance that only your projects have. This leads to managers relying on gut feel and messy spreadsheets, which are slow, error-prone, and impossible to standardize. The technical method behind true delay prediction must move beyond simple averages. It starts with establishing a performance baseline for every process type in your delivery chain. We analyze not just if tasks were late, but why. By correlating completion times with variables like team composition, incident volume, and dependency complexity, a key concept is lead time distribution, understanding the range of possible outcomes, not just a single due date. This differs from common misconceptions. Prediction isn't about creating a perfect crystal ball, it's about quantifying probability and risk so you can make better decisions. The software solution, PredictDelays, ingests your historical project data, completion dates, resource assignments, change logs. It calculates these baselines and continuously compares live project progress against them. The system flags tasks where current performance is deviating from historical norms. It maintains a full audit trail of every calculation for compliance, but its real power is in scenario modeling. You can ask, what if we move this resource? Or what if that prerequisite task takes 1 day longer? The software instantly shows the ripple effect on the final delivery date. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a software deployment project with two key variables: the code review phase and the client approval cycle. Historical data shows code review takes between 3 to 7 days, and client approval has taken 2 to 10 days. PredictDelays models these ranges. If today code review is already at day 5, the system calculates the heightened probability of a delay in the subsequent testing phase. It might show that with current trends, the project has a 70% chance of being 2 days late. You can then model adding a second reviewer and see how that probability drops. This gives you a measurable, data-backed case for making a resource shift. For compliance and reporting, PredictDelays generates clear, stakeholder-ready reports. These reports translate probabilistic forecasts into straightforward timelines with confidence intervals. They align with regulatory needs by documenting the rationale behind every forecast, showing the historical data points and assumptions used. This transparency builds trust with clients and internal auditors. To close, PredictDelays gives you the tool to replace guesswork with governed historical insight. You can proactively defend timelines, allocate resources wisely, and deliver with greater certainty.